Alright, so this is how to replace the back wiper arm on a 2013 BMW X5. I'm sure that it's similar for all years prior to 2013 and prior, at least to 2004. I know my daughter's car is almost exactly the same. In any case, I used a socket. Yeah, this is a 13 millimeter socket, and essentially had to work to get the bolt off of the housing here. And as you can see, the housing is nothing fancy. It's basically just a straight shaft that holds the wiper arm on. So I tried everything to get this off. I tried pliers, I tried vice grips, I tried WD-40, I tried Tri-Flow, I let it soak for a while. So, not being the most patient person in the world, I went to my Dremel tool with the thin cut metal cutting rotary blade. This is what it ends up looking like when you're done. But when you cut through, I cut through the external housing first, as you can see, and got that finished. What was left on there was the interior sleeve that holds the wiper arm on. All I did was, at that point, once I was into it, I split it in half, and I ended up with a clean arm. What you do from there is I spray this, and put the arm back on. New wiper arm. Essentially slides right into place. I'm going to do this one-handed while I got my phone in hand. Slides right into place. Grab your 13 millimeter socket. Couple of turns. Don't over tighten. And it's on.